Hello, anak sweet. Ginawa ko tong video dito sa labas ng aking opisina dahil yung opisina ko medyo magulo pa. So, nakita niyo yung background na pine tree, yun ang aking opisina na magulo. Yun, nandoon. So, bago ang lahat, itong video ito ginawa namin para isorpresa ka. At sabi nga ni Ami, kami ang mag-organize ng birthday celebration mo. At I'm wishing you happy birthday, long life, happiness sa inyong pamilya, sa ating lahat, sa Star Maker Suki Idol, at sa lahat po ng ating mga celebrants ngayong May you have many more to come. At bago ako magtatapos, gusto ko lang i-reminisce, ibig sabihin paalala yung kung paano kami nagkakilala ni Sweet. Ito pa yung totoong nangyari niyan. Ay dumaan siya sa akin dito sa PR 705 2 years ago. 2 years ago ba, anak? But nakalimutan ko na, but anyway. At sabi niya sa akin, noong una, sabi ko, pwede bang mag-joy tayo? Dumaan si Alice. Si Alice yung kanyang kakambal. Sabi niya. Tapos nagulat ako dahil si Alice ay 2K pa lang ang followers. Ay kuha na agad, verified singer na. So sabi niya, Kaproli, tawagin ko po si Sweet Queen para siyang kakanta. Sige, nang dumating si Sweet Queen, kami ang kumantang dalawa. Tapos yun medyo nagustuhan ko rin yung aming tandem. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang i-invite kita sa mga susunod na monthly banding dito sa MRG. SMS na tayo noon. SMSI PR 705-845. At yung pinaunlakan naman niya ako at yun nga. After noon, base sa kanyang mga testimony before na sabi niya, Kaproli, pwede ba kita maging daddy? Dahil wala na po akong daddy, wala na pong mami. Ay doon ako na-touch dahil alam ko naman ang feelings ng nalulungkot at na sasabik sa magulang. So sabi ko, sige, no problem. Iyon po nagsimula ang aming tandem at talagang tinitreat niya akong tatay at tinitreat ko rin siyang anak. Yan po nagsimula ang aming banding at hanggang dumating itong mga kapatid niya, si Ami, si Norse, si Monica, nandyan yung ating mga ibang organizer, si Co-Captain Mayet, ang ating co-founder, at ang nandyan si Marie po, Marie 23, si Nala, si Honey, ang ating very generous na nagbibigay ng mga sponsor sa ating mga pa-event. Si Jen, bago makalimutan ang ating bunso nating kapatid sa US, Jen. Sino pa ba? Kung ako may nakalimutan, pasensya na po kayo, wala akong listahan dito. So anyway, ang video pong ito ay para kay Sweet. So once again, anak, happy birthday and may you have many more birthdays to come. From Daddy Rolly. Good luck and God bless us always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Sweet. Hello, Sisi Sweet. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, alam ko sa Sunday pa yung birthday mo, but syempre, surprise! I hope na masaya ka today because today we will be celebrating your 18th birthday dito sa PH Host Official Room 705-845. Ayan. Medyo struggle yung pag-create namin ng mga video greetings. I know that is really find it so hard, no? Knowing na hindi ka part ng organizing team for today's event natin. Pero ako, Sweet, as a friend, ano bang masasabi ko about you? Sweet is not so sweet. Meron ding bitter side, pero more on sweets. Diba? Kaya nga Sweet Queen. Okay, you're a kind of friend na talaga namang hindi lang sweet, mabait, maganda. Of course, napakagaling kumanta talaga na truly an idol and truly an icons. Kaya naman saludong-saludo ako sa'yo. Ako, personally, natutuwa ako for knowing you, not only as my CC dito sa Star Maker, pero as my CC as well sa totoong buhay, no. Knowing you is really an amazing one, kasi napakaswerte ko naman for having a friend like you, no. Hindi ko na-imagine yan, no. Napakaswerte ko kahit pagod tayo sa ating ginagawa sa SMSI is hindi ko siya nararamdaman, knowing na napakahusay kasi mag-handle ng tao nitong babae na to talaga. Sobra, talagang siya yung pagod in all events na ginagawa natin dito sa SMSI. Ikaw yung sobrang pagod sa pag-iisip, you and Dad. Pero I want you to know na sobra-sobra kitang ina-admire, sobra-sobra kitang ina-appreciate. Talagang hindi ka lang mabait na kaibigan, mabait na kapatid, magaling ka ring makisama, no? Dito sa Star Maker, alam ko napakarami mong kaibigan. Pero yung mapabilang kami, ako personally sa mga kaibigan mo na yan is such a blessing. Kaya naman today, sa birthday mo, I wish ko na hindi ka lang magkaroon ng maraming blessings, kundi syempre good health, long life, happiness, anything na wini-wish mo, sana makuha mo yan, makamit mo yan, because you really deserve na every blessings in this world. Napakabait mong kapatid, napakabait mong asawa, lahat-lahat na sisisabi nga ni Daday, ikaw ay lahat-lahat na nasa sayo, a total package, not to mention na talaga namang napakaganda mo ring babae, no? Pag nakikita nga kita, nako, sa person, I felt so intimidated, pero nung una yun, but really as of this time, talagang ako naiiyak ako pag nalalaman ko na meron akong kapatid diyan, no? Malapit lang tayo sa isa't isa, sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwede tayong magkita anytime that you want, no? Hindi lang ako isang kapatid, kundi kaibigan as well. You have someone na pwede mo namang hingahan ng sama ng loob kung meron. Ako din naman yun nakikita ko sa iyo. So maraming salamat for including me in so many list of your friends, not only in Star Maker but in the real life as well. So, maraming salamat, Sisi. At sana maging masaya ka, no? At alam kong magiging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong karawan. So, yun na. Happy birthday, my Sisi ko. I love you so much. Si Sweet Queen, ang nag-iisang Sweet Queen ng Star Maker at ng Icons family. I love you, Sisi, so much. And I wish you everything that you wanted to have in your life. Ayan, happy birthday! This is Co-Captain Amy, ang Chinita MC, hugutera na talaga namang pagkaganda-ganda pa like you. Diba? So, happy birthday, Sisi ko, and I love you so much. Love you, Sisi. Sana maging masaya ka.
Hi, magandang hapon, tanghali, umaga sa iyo, sa ating pinakamaganda, gorgeous na, beautiful pa sa birthday celebrant na si Icon Sweet Queen. Ayan, SMSI MRG. Ayan, binabati kita ng magandang kaarawan. And may the God bless always provide. And you the most precious thing, and life, health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. Ayan, sana lagi kang mag-iingat sa iyong sarili, ay iwasan ang kumain ng mga pagkain na hindi karapat-dapat. Ayan, ingatan ang lalo pa sa iyong beauty. Ayan, keep more pretty, gorgeous, and more blessing to come. Happy birthday! This is Captain Emily from CFF Cousin Family and Friend. Ayan. God bless you!
hello, sweet. I just want to greet you a very, very happy birthday. And may you have more days to come coming ahead of you. So, just enjoy your special day. And siguro kukunin ko na rin ang pagkakataon na ito para maipaabot sa iyo how happy I am and how I am thankful. Kasi you are a part of my SM life. And hindi lang siguro sa SM, nagiging parte na ng totoong buhay ko, yung buhay mo, diba? Kung ano man ako ngayon dito sa SM, you know that you are a big part of it. So, I just want to recognize your abilities. Hanga ako sa endurance, commitment, and sipag mo talaga. Wala kang binibitawan na isang bagay na hindi maayos, hindi tapos. SMSI will never be in the heights like this kung hindi dahil sa iyo, kung hindi dahil sa mga pangarap mo. Sabi mo nga, dito mo natupad ang mga pangarap mo, and totoo naman, and sa pagtupad mo ng mga pangarap mo na yan, marami kang nabibless, marami kang napapasayang tao. So, you are a blessing to SM, to Star Maker, kasi marami kang napapasayang tao. And maraming nare-recognize na tao dahil sa iyo. So, and I am one of that. So, thank you so much. You're a true friend for me. Sana there will come a time na magkita tayo. And I am looking for that day na magkita tayo in person. So, I am thanking you personally. Thank you for making me your friend and a part of your life. So, thank you so much. Happy birthday again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Happy birthday, Ma'am Sweet Queen. Ayun, syempre, dahil sa birthday ng aming nag-iisang principal and head, syempre, dapat special yan. So, of course, I wish na sana lahat ng mga wish mo ay matupad. And of course, I want you to know na sobrang happy ako kasi na-meet ko yung isang tao na katulad mo who is an inspiration and a role model, someone na masarap tularan. Dahil you're a good example, not only sa talent, but of course on how you mold us as a person. Ayun, hindi lang kasi yung talent mo yung na-share mo sa amin, but also your knowledge on how to be a better person. And I'm so thankful to be one of that, na talagang lahat ginagawa mo para ma-improve ang talent po, and of course my personality and character and all. And I'm so thankful sa mga yun, and I will never forget that. And of course you're also one of the person who understand and listen the times na talagang I'm on my lowest point. At sobrang thank you po, Ma'am Sweet Queen. So, ayun na nga, this is your day. Sana magustuhan mo ang lahat ng mga pasabog namin. We love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Hello everyone, this is Black MC from MRG Farm. At binabato ko nga pala si Ma'am Sweet ng happiest birthday sa iyo, Ma'am Sweet. And wish you all the best and good health. Kasama ng pamilya mo, palagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. Ito talaga si Ma'am Sweet, wala talaga akong masabi sa kanya. Sobrang bait na tao na itong taong to. Mapa-SM man at mapa-personal man, wala akong masabi. Napakabait na tao. At sana Ma'am Sweet, huwag kang magbabago and stay pretty, syempre, of course. Ayan, hindi ko na pahabain, Ma'am. Pasensya ka na po sa video ko. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo, nakilala ko kayo. Ayan po. Thank you po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sisi Sweet. Wish ko sa'yo is good health and syempre para sa family mo din and happiness. And I would like to thank you for always encouraging me to do better sa platform na ito. Thank you. And from your MRG, Icons Fam, SMSI group, we would like to wish you a happy birthday. Sisi, enjoy your day. Love, love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And wishing you all the best. And please know that I love you so much, and I am truly happy and thankful that knowing you here in Star Maker. And above all things, thank you for sharing all the blessings, your talents, and you are truly such an amazing person. So may God continue to bless you more and good health. So once again, happy blessed birthday, and we love you. And this is Claire, the captain of Hardcore.
Happy birthday, Mom Sweet! Oh, happy birthday, Mom Sweet! Ayan, happy birthday, Mom Sweet! It's me, Monica. I'm so blessed to have you as my ate here in SMSI. Napaka-thankful ko kasi binigay ka sa amin ng Diyos. Trinato mo kami ng tama. Kung paano magtrato ng isang kapamilya. Hindi mo kami in-exclude doon. Kahit dito lang tayo sa apps na to nagkakilala, yung treatment mo ay treatment na parang talagang kapamilya. Thank you sa tiwala, sa pagmamahal, sa pagiging coach namin dito sa pop department or in una kong in-enrollan na department here in SMSI Music Academy, kung saan talagang minold mo kami to be a better singers, na wag mag-settle sa kung ano lang yung kinanta mo, kung ganito ka na lang. Talagang inilabas mo kami sa mga lunggahan namin. Thank you, Mom Sweet, kasi napakabuti mong tao, inside and out. Lagi mo iniisip yung kapakanan namin. Thank you dahil naging ate kita here in SMSI. Lagi mo iniisip yung magiging kapakanan ko, may kakabuti ko. Thank you talaga, Ma'am Sweet. Napaka-sweet mo sa amin. At maaalalahanin. Lagi mo talagang iniisip yung mangyayari na maayos sa pagiging desisyon mo sa amin, dahil alam ko naman na ang desisyon mo para sa amin ay yun ang ikakabuti. At continue mo lang yung mga magandang goals mo para sa SMSI. Alam ko marami ka pang mai-inspire ng mga katulad ko na nasa mababa lang, na nagwi-wish na maging better singers. Tsaka thank you dahil naging parte ka ng buhay namin. At dahil sa'yo, nakakakanta na kami ng mas maayos.
At thank you sa mga magagandang naiisip mong plano para sa ikakabuti ng nakararami. Ayan, thank you sa mga kwentuhan na mapapatawa ka sa sobrang nakaka-enjoy kakwentuhan. Ayan, yung Mom Sweet na nakikilala namin sa PR. Iba pala talaga kapag sa outside. Ayan, napaka swerte namin na meron ka. Kaya wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, long life, more money sa iyong business, at happy living po. I love you, Mom Sweet. Thank you for being my ate here. At pagiging mabuting anak kay Dad, kay Mami Rica, ayan po. At pagiging mabuting kapatid sa amin. Ayan. Maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng mga mabubuting ginawa mo para sa amin, para sa SMSI. Thank you and I love you. Mwah!
Hello, sweet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Sweet. It's your birthday. Sana malasing at mabusog mo kami. Yan. Happy birthday, Sweet. Napakabait na tao ni Sweet. Yan. Isa siya sa tao na nakilala ko sa SMSI. 2 years na kaming magkakilala na Sweet. At nagkita na rin kami in real. Yan, kaya medyo close kami. Kasama din namin ng ibang SMSI at saka MRG. Get together December 19. Si Sweet kasi yung, ang masasabi ko kay Sweet na siya yung tao na sobrang sipag. Pwede siyang tawagin na ang babaeng walang pahinga. Kasi talagang pagdating sa pag-i-edit, kasi halos siya lahat ang gumagawa ng buds namin. Katulong din ni My Heart ko. Gagawa ng mga JF, si Cap, yan. Talagang sa tulong din ng ibang organizer. Yan. Si Sweet kasi yung sobrang sipag. Ang babaeng hindi na natutulog talaga. Yan, wala nang halos pahinga. Sobrang sipag kasi naiinip siya pag wala siyang ginagawa. Napakasipag na tao, napakabait. Sweet, more birthdays to come, good health, and God bless you with your family. Sana sa pagkakataong ito, kahit ganito lang, mapasaya ka namin. Yan. Sa tagal na namin magkakilala ni Sweet, ang mga hinaing or sa buhay na katulad ko na minsan pag yung nalulungkot or na-stress, yung mga yan ang aking advisor. Talagang sisikoy, ganyan, ganito. Pray ka lang. Kaya sobrang proud ako. At nakilala ko kayo dito sa SMSI. Ako naiiyak. Ako pa yata maiiyak. Yan. Kasi talagang napakabait. Yan. Happy birthday, Sweet. Hindi ko nahabaan kasi may iyak na ako. Natulo na ako. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Hanggang kaya mo. Dahil napakabait. Sobrang bait. Ramdam ko sa puso ko na ramdam ko din na hindi ka iba, kapatid na nagatuloy ko sa'yo. Yan. Sabi happy birthday. I love you, sweet. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Love you.
Ready? Let's go.
Hello, Sisi. Happy birthday, Sisi Sweet Queen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear sweet queen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sisi ko. I wish you more birthdays to come and good health always. I love you. You know na I'm always here for you. Yan. So, you can reach me anytime. So, and pasensya ka na kung minsan delayed ang reply ko. Busy ang Sisi mo. I love you. Enjoy your day.
Hello everyone, this is Captain Beaver, and in behalf of Team Canada and the Shindig family, I would like to greet Icon Sweet Queen a very happy birthday. And I do pray and hope that you will enjoy your day and you will be pampered. And I pray that God will give you the desires of your heart. Thank you so much for your dedication and passion to be involved here on Star Maker. I've seen you doing a lot of work, helping other people, getting recognized, and I just hope that you will continue doing that. And I hope that you will stay humble. I can see that you are a good person, and I do hope you will continue keeping the impression that you have implanted towards me. Thank you so much for trusting me as well. Thank you for joining the Team Canada concerts. Thank you for the trust, and I do pray to continue having a good relationship with you, with the SMSI family, and also with the Team Canada group. All right, again, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best.
To you, happy birthday to you, and happy birthday, Sisi Sweet Queen. I wish you a wonderful day, and may all your wish come true. I hope you enjoy this day very much. Stay yourself, stay healthy, stay sweet. God bless. Happy birthday, love you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello kapatid kong Sweet Queen. Binabati kita ng happy birthday at sa iyong kaarawan na may pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon ng maayos na kalusugan, masayang buhay, dahil marami kang natutulungan at napapasayang tao sa SMSI, yan, sa mga events na napaka-active mo, sa academy, lalong-lalo na sa iyong grupo, sa ating grupo, Popsters. Ayan, prayer ko sa iyo ay magkaroon ka pa ng good health, dahil mahal na mahal ka ng pamilya mo. Aside sa mahal na mahal ka namin, lalo na ang iyong pamilya, asawa, sa anak, sa business, whatever business that you are having right now. Prayer ko ay maging fruitful lahat ng ginagawa mo, at dahil marami kang nabe-bless na tao. Okay? So this is Rai Music greeting you a happy birthday. Salamat kapatid. Stay sweet. I love you. Bye-bye.
Ready? Let's go.
Hello, Sisi Sweet. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I hope that your birthday would be as fabulous as you are, and I'm pretty sure it is. And may it be filled with joy and happiness, have a fantastic day celebrating it, and may all your wishes come true. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Ayan, good morning SMSI. Batiin ko lang po ng maligayang kaarawan ang aming nag-iisang queen ng SMSI. Happy birthday po, Sis Queen. Ayan, maraming salamat. At nagkakilala po tayo dito sa SMSI, sa Star Maker. At hindi lang sa Star Maker, ay nagkita pa tayo sa MUA nung meet and greet ng SMSI and MSTFF. Maraming salamat sa palaging pag-invite sa akin sa concert. Hope na matagal pa tayong magsama-sama dito basta may Star Maker. Patuloy lang po tayong magpakasaya dito. Ayan, lagi tayong magbanding para lalo tayong tumibay sa sa samahan natin sa SMSI. More blaze. Thank you so much sa SMSI sa patuloy na matatag na samahan. Thank you so much Cap Rolly sa pag-invite sa akin dito. Sa lahat ng admin members sa SMSI, thank you so much and God bless. Happy birthday po, Sis Queen. God bless po. We love you so much.
Hi loves, sweet Queen, happy birthday. I just really want to take this time to thank you. Thank you for being you. You made an impact, whether you realize it or not. I'm genuinely grateful for your presence and for all the little things you do that make people feel seen and appreciated. You deserve all the good things life has to offer, not just today, but every single day moving forward. I hope this new chapter brings you more peace, strength, and moments that remind you how loved you are. Love you, loves. Happy birthday, MBTC.
Hello again, this is John Aaron, Admin Aaron of the MRG family. On behalf of MRG SMSI Group, happy birthday, Tita Sweet Queen. Ayan, isang masasabi ko lang po sa inyo, happy birthday, cheers to another years, wishes you the best, enjoy the day of the fullest, and age is a number. Ilang masasabi ko sa kanya, and sana hopefully marami pang pasubok po para sa kanya, and to wish us all the best. Ayan. God bless you and stay strong. Laban lang. Yun lamang po.
Happiest birthday, sweet Queen. I wish you all the best in life, Sisi ko. Good health, long life, love, happiness, and success. You're one of the people here in SM that I really look up to for your passion in singing and for your mission to help others improve their craft through the SMSI Music Academy. Huwag ka sanang magbabago, Sisi ko. Stay kind and sweet, just like your name. Thanks for being a friend. I love you, Sisi ko. Happy birthday again.
Sisi Sweet Queen, happy birthday sa iyo. Ang team leader namin na napakasipag sa Phoenix Diva, sa top creators. Thank you sa pag-lead sa amin sa Phoenix Diva. Happy birthday again. Mga birthday sukang, good health, at enjoy your day. Thank you.
Happy birthday to the Queen, Icon Sweet. Wow, birthday na Sisi Koy. May your day be filled with everything you love and deserve. Ayun, Sisi Koy. And wish ko is good health always, and ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo, Sisi Koy. Enjoy singing. Happy birthday again. I miss you.
Hello, sweet icon. Before anything else, I would like to greet you. Happy birthday on this coming May 9. I hope you can celebrate your birthday with joyfully and very meaningful birthday this coming May 9. At dalangin ko at lagi sa iyo, magandang kalusugan, magandang pamilya, at malayo sa mga problema sa buhay, at more blessing to come pa sa buhay mo at sa mga darating pang mga taon na maging makabuluhan ang iyong mga kaarawan. Kaya happy birthday sis Icon Sweet ng MRG SMSI. We thank you so much for being a new family, a new friends. Dahil si Captain Rolly. And thank you so much guys sa inyo lahat. MRG SMSI family. Thank you so much for being a part of MSTF family na nabuo sa gawa ni Bossing Jenyab. At siguro this is the right time na maging ma-develop yung ating family natin as one family. Kaya thank you so much for being a friends ninyong lahat sa MSTF. Kaya ramdam namin ni Bossing yun. Kaya thank you so much for acceptance bilang second family. Kaya thank you so much. Happy birthday and God bless more. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sisi, sweet queen, my bestie. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo at sana more years and happiness in life. Of course, stay healthy. God bless you more. At salamat sa pagtitiwala lagi sa akin. Kayo ni Dad Caproli. At sana masaya lang tayo dito sa SM. Happy birthday, Sisi, my bestie. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you. Love.
Hi, baby. Good morning. Just want to greet you a happy birthday. Wish you have more birthdays to come. A Christ-filled birthday every year. Enjoy your birthday. I love you so much. Happy birthday.